Emma is 11 years old. She lives with her grandmother in a quiet village. The village is small, with only one bakery, one school, and many trees. Emma's house is old but warm. The IT has wooden windows, green plants, and a red roof. Every morning, Emma eats toast with jam. Her grandmother drinks tea and reads a newspaper. Emma likes to sit by the window. She looks at the big garden behind the house. The garden is wild. The grass is tall. The trees are big and old. Birds sing in the morning. Butterflies fly in the summer point one day. Emma walks to the back of the garden. She has never gone that far before. The plants are thick and the path is narrow. She moves the branches with her hand. Suddenly, she sees something strange. That IT is a wooden door. It is hidden behind green vines. The door is old and dirty. Emma touches the handle. The IT is cold. "Grandma never told me about this," she whispers. She looks around. No one is there. She tries to open the door, but it won't move. That IT is locked. Emma runs back to the house. She wants to ask her grandmother, but her grandmother is sleeping in the chair. Emma decides to wait. That night, Emma can't sleep. She thinks about the door. What is behind it? Why is it locked? Who used it before? The next day, after school, Emma walks to the garden again. She brings gloves and a small brush. She cleans the vines around the door. Under the date, she sees a small keyhole. The IT looks very old. Emma smiles. "I will find the key," she says softly, and her adventure begins. The next morning, Emma wakes up early. The sun is shining through her window. She remembers the door in the garden. She remembers the small keyhole, and now she wants to find the key. Emma eats breakfast quickly. "Slow down," Grandma says. "I'm just excited." Emma smiles. She doesn't tell her grandma about the door yet. She wants to look around first. After breakfast, Emma walks to the attic. The attic is full of old boxes. Some are full of books, some are clothes, toys, and old pictures. She opens the first box. Inside, she finds a small red hat, a photo of a young woman, and a little card. The card says to Lily, "For the secret place. Love, Mom." "Lily," Emma whispers. "That's my mom's name." She opens another box. There is a small wooden box inside. Emma lifts the lid slowly. Inside is a tiny silver key. Emma holds the key in her hand. It is cold and light. Her heart beats fast. She runs downstairs and goes to the garden. The sun is bright. The birds are singing. She walks through the tall grass and flowers. She stops in front of the door. Emma puts a key into the keyhole. That IT fits. She takes a deep breath. Her hand shakes a little. She turns the key slowly. Click. The lock opens. Emma looks around. No one is watching. She pushes the door gently. That IT creaks. Behind the door is a narrow path. The trees are taller here. The IT is quiet and green. Emma walks inside. The air smells like leaves and flowers. She takes a few steps. Suddenly, she sees something, a small wooden bench under a tree and a sign that says Lily's Garden, a place to dream. Emma touches the sign. Tears come to her eyes. "This was my mom's garden," she whispers. Then she smiles. Emma stands very still. She looks around the secret garden. The sun shines through the tall trees. Birds sing softly in the branches. Everything feels quiet and peaceful. There are flowers, but many are dry. The ground is covered in leaves. Some bushes are wild and tall. But Emma sees beauty in it all. "This place is sleeping," she says. "I will help it wake up." The next day, Emma brings gloves, scissors, and a small shovel. She wears her old jeans and a green hat. She carries a notebook, too. She wants to write everything she sees. First, she clears the path. She picks up broken branches and pulls out weeds. She moves slowly, but she does not stop. Sweat runs down her face. Her hands get dirty, but she smiles. After 1 hour, she sits on the bench. She opens her notebook. She writes, "Day 1. The garden is full of stories. I think it remembers my mom." Emma looks at the flowers. Some are yellow. Some are purple. She sees one with soft pink petals. The IT is small, but still blooming. "Hello, little flower," she whispers. She touches it gently. That IT feels like silk. Then she notices something beside the flower. That IT is a small stone, shaped like a heart. Words are carved on it. "For Lily, love grows here." Emma holds the stone in her hand. She feels warm inside. Her mom made this place with love. Maybe it was a special place. Emma closes her eyes. She tries to imagine her mother, sitting on this bench, planting flowers, laughing. Tears come again, but they are soft tears. She is not sad. She feels close to her mom. She stands up. "I will take care of this garden," she says. "I will make it beautiful again." Emma walks back to the house. She feels tired, but full of hope tomorrow she will return. The garden has been waiting. And now, it begins to grow again. The next morning, Emma wakes up early. She eats toast and drinks orange juice. She puts a notebook and tools into a small bag. Then, she walks quickly to the secret garden. The key is in her pocket. When she opens the door, the air is cool, birds sing in the tall trees. Emma smiles. "Good morning," she whispers. She walks down the path and stops by the bench. Today, she wants to clean near the flowers. She cuts old leaves. She pulls weed from the roots. She adds water to the dry soil. The garden looks a little brighter. While digging, Emma finds something hard. It is a small wooden box. She brushes off the dirt carefully. The box is old, but not broken. She opens it slowly. Inside, she sees a photo. It shows a young woman with long hair. She is sitting on the garden bench, smiling that a small girl is next to her, maybe 3 years old. They are holding flowers. Emma touches the photo. "It's me," she says softly. "This is my mom. And this is us." She finds a folded paper inside the box. The paper is soft and yellow. Emma opens it and reads. "Dear Emma, I made this garden for you that I hope one day you find it, that I hope it brings you joy, peace, and love. Love always, Mom." Emma reads the letter again. Tears fall on her cheeks, but she doesn't wipe them. She feels love, deep and real. Her mom made this place for her. She puts the photo and letter back in the box. Then she places the box near the heart-shaped stone. "I found your gift, Mom," she says. "Thank you." She sits under the tree. Max, her little dog, comes running. He sits next to her and barks once. Softly, Emma smiles. "This is our place now," she says. "We will take care of it. Together." The garden is quiet, but the air feels alive. Emma feels it too. The garden is no longer a secret. The IT is a home. Days pass, and Emma returns to the garden every afternoon. She brings a small rake, a watering can, and flower seeds. She works slowly, one part of the garden at a time. She sings softly while she works. Sometimes she talks to trees. The garden begins to change. The grass is short now. The paths are clear. The flowers look brighter. The wind feels warm and kind. Emma plants new flowers near the old ones. She adds little signs. Hope, kindness, love. She remembers these words from her mother's stories. Max always follows her. He runs between bushes and lies in the shade sometimes. Butterflies land on his back, though he doesn't move. One afternoon, while Emma waters the plants, she hears a sound at IT is soft, like a bell. She looks up. The flowers near the tree begin to glow just a little. Emma steps closer. The light fades, but the air smells like honey. She smiles. "Magic," she whispers. From that day on, small things begin to happen. The flowers bloom faster than a tree that was dry grows new leaves. A bird builds a nest near the bench. Emma feels different too. She laughs more. She sleeps better. She feels close to her mom. One evening, she brings her grandmother to the garden day tea first. Grandma is quiet. Then she sees a hot stone. Her eyes fill with tears. "This was Lily's favorite place," she says. "I thought it was gone forever." Emma holds her hand. "She left it for us," she says. "She wanted us to find it." They sit on the bench together. The sun sets slowly. The sky is pink and gold. Birds fly across the trees. "I'm proud of you," Grandma says. Emma leans her head on her grandmother's shoulder. They sit in silence. That night, Emma writes in a notebook, "Day 12. The garden is alive again, that I think. So am I." She closes the book. She looks at the stars outside her window, and she knows tomorrow will be beautiful again. It is Saturday morning. The sky is clear. The air is fresh. Emma wakes up early and opens her window. She hears birds singing in the garden. She smiles. Today is special. Emma and her grandmother plan to plant a new tree. The IT will stand in the middle of the garden. They call it the Tree of Hope. Emma eats her breakfast and runs outside. She carries a small shovel and a pot with a baby tree. Her grandmother follows, holding 2 cups of tea. They sit for a moment on the bench. "This garden is yours now," Grandma says. "You brought it back to life." Emma looks around. The flowers are bright. The grass is green. The bench is clean and strong. Max barks and runs in circles. They dig the hole together. The soil is soft. They place the tree gently inside. Emma adds water and smooths the earth. "Grow strong," she whispers. "Grow for me. Grow for Mom." After they finish, Grandma brings out a small box. "Your mother left this for you," she says. Emma opens it. Inside is a necklace with a tiny golden leaf. There is also a letter. Dear Emma, if you are reading this, it means you found the garden that I hope it brings you peace. Always remember, you are brave, you are loved, and your heart will always find a way home. Love. Mom, Emma holds a necklace tightly. She puts it around her neck. The leaf shines in the sunlight. She feels warm inside. That night, Emma writes in her notebook, Day 20. The garden is not a secret anymore, that IT is our place now. I feel brave. I feel loved, that I will take care of it always. She places the notebook on her shelf. She turns off the light. Max curls up at her feet. The stars shine above outside. The new tree stands tall. The garden sleeps, but tomorrow it will grow again just like Emma.